Sitting on it?
Nah.
Alright.
It's a Sylvia, mate, don't sit on it.
What do you do on a Sylvia?
It's a good car.
I don't know.
Not sit, Via. It's not called sit, Via.
I can sit in there.
Alright, welcome back here, sorry. Welcome to this instalment of this episode
of my
Street Race Solutions.
Welcome.
We've got the banana boat here, aptly named by Daniel.
Yeah, look, we've relabelled the old S15 as banana boat, and it's going to stay that.
It's sticking. We've thrown it at the wall. It's stuck.
What did we do? We knocked out a bit of stuff on Friday when the boys were stuck down the hill. Yeah, a bit flooded in down here. So what we did is just finished up our dry sump bracket. Dry sump tank bracket in the boot here. As you can see, you got that panel in, looks pretty neat, eh? Looks tidy.
Yeah.
Very uniform in the back here.
Got the flat floor done.
Then down the front, I notched out these little holes up here for the wise fab because of the damper adjustment on the wise fab. It all offset over to here, so we had to notch some clearance out of there, I guess you'd say. So I got this side notched out for the over fenders. Bit of bog there, don't mind it. Bit of filler upper.
Bit of heat jam.
Bit now, are you?
Yeah.
Still waiting on a few parts for the Supra. Got the tail shafts back for the Supra and the Datsun, so they're going in today, which George will probably show you some B-rolls of.
So we got the drive shafts back from Coilovers this morning for the Supra and for the Datsun, so we've been putting them in. So the Supra was just a single piece, no worries there, it's just to throw it in. The Datsun, because we went two-piece tail shaft, we were waiting on that tail shaft to finalise the centre bearing location, or centre bearing mount location, I should say. Yeah. So we finished that up this morning. It's just very recently been bolted into the car. And
so therefore, if this was up there, it would bolt to there, not down to here. That'd be gross. Yeah.
Now we're just modifying the exhaust slightly to fit around that. And we got Eddie from EKZ. You like Z or Z?
Z or Z? Either or.
ZZ. Yeah. Eddie from EKZ wiring here, tidying up because we put the Powerglide in it, it's going to have, it's going to be trans brake, so it's a trans brake Powerglide. Wiring that up as well as the neutral safety switches and all that sort of shit. So
that's happening.
Datsun's going to run today, should be getting tuned tomorrow. Pretty sure last time this was on a dyno, it made 500-ish on 98. It got put on E85, but I'm not 100% sure if it was ever dynoed on E85. So we're going to see what the little CA will put out very soon. So we'll get cracking on with that, and we'll see you later. You'll see us.
Get some room on the hoist, we're going to get the LM in here.
Yeah, then the GTR is coming in to get its air cups put in, and the other GTR, I'm going to start putting the engine back together for it today as well. We got the parts from Kudos over the weekend, on Friday. Not the weekend, yeah, on Friday, but I was flooded in, so I couldn't get here to put it together.
He was flooded.
And Daniel didn't put it together for me because he's a dog.
What I did on Friday is I cleaned my floor.
All right, let's do it.
Don't look at it now.
That's it.
It's pretty dirty already.
That's it, bye.
I had a gurney in here and I was just like,
I had a gurney in here, that's it, bye. Nice little centre bit this, I'm quite enjoying it. A little bit different footage coming up right now. The next 10-ish minutes is sort of uncut footage, a little bit less touched up, a little bit less polished by George, and a little bit more raw of Daniel. So if you enjoy it, put it in the comments. If you hate it, also put it in the comments. So enjoy that. Go that way.
Hello. He said you're talking. Ask him. Oh. Stanceparts. Get yours in your car today. Welcome back to the channel. To the channel. No, we're not. Are we? On the LM 33, back over to what we're doing, is keeping busy. We've got the...
Well, that's the most expensive drum.
No, it's not. It fell out my bum. Back to what we're doing, George, and everyone watching. We've made 20 bucks this week. What up? We have, in my right hand today, is one of the rear ends of the Stanceparts coilover / air cup setup. We're going to be installing these in the LM33 today. If you want to watch me put them in. We haven't put any in. I'm about to jump on and put the front ones in, and then I've heard that the rear parcel shelves and these things aren't easy to get into, so you might have to bear with me for a bit until we get that out to get these in. Where are you coming from? Don't come over here. I'm going to put them in, George. And everyone watching, come watch me put them in.
Slam my skirts out, big. Look back over your shoulder like you're sexy.
Done. Now if you'd like to have a look, George, we've done the front ones already. And if you hop down the front here, guys, you can actually see we quickly installed the Stanceparts front coilover into the LM33. Just like that. It takes a whole lot of 4 bolts, 2 in the top, 1 in the bottom, which is actually on a stud, and then we also utilised this little OEM brake mount over here. It's very utilisable, so we did that. That's what we did, George, and everyone watching. We put it in the car. So now we'll jump down to the back ones, which will be just as fast, I believe. That's what we're about to do. Got the back seat pulled out, didn't take too long. And turns out, if you hop in here, we've found a treasure, George. And it's not the lollipop stick, that's for sure. It's a coin. It is this ancient token from 2008, I believe. It's foreign. Its origin is New Zealand by the looks, from Queen Elizabeth II. And it has a little, I think if it's New Zealand, it would be a tiki, not a Buddha. Wouldn't it? Yeah, it's a tiki, not a Buddha. And yeah, there we have it, George. An ancient token with the origins of New Zealand from 2008, Queen Elizabeth II. Queen Elizabeth II. No, Queen Elizabeth II, not 2. It looks like I'm doing this really quickly, but I'm not doing it quickly at all because the seats took like a minute to pull out. And we never pull out, George. Not at SRS. We never pull out. We hop out. Closer, I believe, to having the old struts out of the vehicle to install the new struts into the vehicle in the rear right hand side of the vehicle. I believe this one is, George. And see this here? It's a strip. Do you know what the strip's for, George?
Yeah, open the door, so people can see the door opening.
Who's behind you?
Okay.
What cars?
When you're on the street, you open the door and then that'll light up red.
Oh!
At night, so cars see the red light and they go,
So they don't hit your door?
Yeah.
But then they see red and blue and they probably think it's a cop. Oh, that's not good. Battery's in my... Gotta get going, you know. Gotta get out of here. See that noise means it's tight. It's a good thing. It's a good thing that it's tight. Oh no, Penny's doing a pee. Penny's being steezy, George. It ain't easy. What's that? Yeah, I know. I don't have it. Oh, this one? Sorry. You puff daddy over there. You're puffing up your guns like you're gonna have a shape up. What shape would you be? What shape would you be? A f***ing octagon. What a dumb shape that would be if you're gonna fight. That means I have that many sides to hit you. Try and work with a bunch of f***ing 2-year-olds. What? Shut up. He's a lovely boy. Just briefly pull out this rear left-hand side of the strut, George, is what we're doing currently. And everyone watching, I don't know if you've ever installed these before, but these are quite an intricate little piece on this 33 GTR because of basically this parcel shelf. None of it else is difficult, it's just this parcel shelf makes it quite difficult. See this one? This one here we're talking about, that's the difficult one, George. I don't know if you knew, but it's the difficult one. As you can see, I haven't actually removed it because it's that difficult.
Maybe that's why Pat stayed a postman for so long.
Why?
Because he couldn't remove his parcel shelves.
Oh, stop it. George just hit me with the f***ing question. Oh, f***ing hell.
Big fish.
It's a big, what'd you call it?
A fish.
No, George, it's a coilover. Oi, Putin. Put it in his hand. I'll put these up to the top and you want to put some nuts on it, or you do the vice versa? You never get the help I need around here. It's tight. Other side, sir. Thank you very much.
Where's this go?
That goes in the car with the coilover.
Which way does it go?
Whichever way that's going to be the most appropriate.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You might want to go like, I'll let you do you, boo.
Monkey.
Yep. Thank you so much, my friend.
Right.
I appreciate your help.
No worries.
Okay. And that there, my friends, is just a quick installment of what we're doing today. Be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel today. Pretty much just call out Red Bull for not getting on board already and feeding my, I'm not going to say addiction, we're not addicts, we're enthusiasts, to feed my enthusiasm, enthusiastic. I've got a few bulls at home, George, in my paddock, farm. All of my bulls I've painted red. All of them. They're all Red Bulls. But none of them drink Red Bull. It's crazy. I've got the impression that they're a Red Bull. So, they're bloody silly cows. They're a cow, not even a bull.
All right, so we've got 7 days pretty much to have the blue car, the green car ready to go to GTR Festival. I believe the plan is to load them up Thursday night, so countdown's on. Daniel got the air cups in today, the coilovers in, sorry. He's currently working on the
airbag tank compressor slash
mount in the boot, and then we're going to run all the air lines for that, wire it in.
Yes, we are.
Daniel's the stance god, so he'll get those coilovers nice and Schlam.
Just gonna sack it, eh?
Hopefully we'll have the wheels
Slam
back
the dog.
pretty soon. They're off getting refurbed. And then you can set that up properly, and then from there, it's pretty much just like as much of a tidy up as time permits us to do, get anything else looking pretty. And then the GTR engine as well that I'm working on, we've got to get that back together and back in the car.
The old nerd.
Got a bit on top of all that stuff that we've got to do and have been doing. The Supra is pretty much buttoned up. Then you'll finish the intake pipe on that. Mounted a couple horns, just got a couple little lines to double, not check. Power steering lines are leaking, so we're just gonna fix them up so they're not leaking for him. Bug.
Nip up a few things.
As well as the Datsun, Datsick, got finished up yesterday. Went to the dyno yesterday. That will be in the next video, so you'll have to watch that if you want to see Datsicken.
That what?
Datsicken.
That's pretty sick.
That is pretty sick. So yeah,
but y'all won't get to see it till
next video.
Next video.
We're going to keep cracking on with the engine and the GTR, the air cup suspension. So we got engine stuff going on there, suspension stuff going on here.
Got a bit going on.
Got a bit going on. So it'll be a big week. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We made 20 bucks last fortnight from YouTube revenue. That's all thanks to you guys, our faithful supporters.
Yeah, we split it 4 ways, $5 each.
Yep. George gets $10. It's 3 ways. You can get 5, I'll get 5.
I'll put George.
Have 10.
Should we put George on the 3-way?
George in the 3-way.
You want to put George on the 3-way? Let us know in the comments below.
Hey, Root.